emerging. I'd also like to pay my respects to artists whose works are on display in today's exhibition. And for those of you who've never been to Australia before, every official event we ever do starts with an acknowledgement of traditional custodians. Now that that is out of the way, I'd also like to very much welcome Assistant Minister Ms. Trifunovic, and also a huge thank you to Ms. Cholak Antić-Popović, Director of the Museum, and welcome all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Thinking of having this exhibition for quite some time. In fact, we started our planning before COVID in 2019.
Već neko vreme smo mi zapravo razmišljali kada da priredimo ovu izložbu, zapravo ta naša ideja potiče još iz vremena pre COVID-a, iz 2019. godine.
And for people's context, this is an international travelling exhibition developed by the Gabtutui Cultural Centre on the Torres Strait and presented in partnership with the National Museum of Australia.
I samo da dam jedan širi kontekst, znači, ali dobro to ste već čuli, da je ovo putujuća međunarodna izložba koja je nastala u saradnji sa Gabtutui kulturnim centrom, a koju je sproveo Nacionalni muzej iz Australije.
And finally, once again, I'd just really like to thank the museum. I'd like to thank the Ministry of Culture for their support, and thank all of you for joining us today.